what we got going on right now is we just machined some new motor mounts for the Z-axis. We had some 3D printed ones, just for prototyping to get the shape down, and I mean they worked, but you know we needed metal because it was actually deflecting and affecting the quality. But anyways, so we machined these. Still got a couple more screws and everything. Recalibrating the machine in. And then today we drilled and counterbored holes for the heat bed right here. So now the bed is now fixed. It was just kind of floating on top, which was a very bad idea. It was only temporarily, but anyways, so we now have the bed fixed, counterbored holes. So the next thing to do is we're gonna sweep the bed in. I have a dial indicator right here, and so what we're gonna do is print a bushing sleeve. So I'll go around here, and we'll hold this where the hot end goes, and we're gonna go around and basically calibrate the machine, make sure everything's lined up. And then we're going to start working on our probing routine. Usually we use the BL Touch for our bed leveling probe. We recently went with a inductive sensor. So we're going to see what we can do with an inductive sensor. Especially since we have an aluminum bed. The BL Touch worked really good. Repeatability was pretty good on the BL Touch. We kept breaking them. Something would happen and we just got tired of breaking BL Touches. Like we were breaking a BL Touch like every few weeks, you know. And when you get a handful of printers, it gets expensive, especially when you're printing every day. So no more BL Touch. We're now using an inductive sensor, something a little bit less fragile. So we'll see how that goes. Next, after we get the probing routine down, we have to get this Y-axis, the Y-axis lead screw nut mount. This is going to be machined out metal. Right now it's just printed because we're still trying to figure out our design. And, what we have right here works. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it definitely works, but you know, we're trying to have a finished product. And we still have the rest of the enclosure right here. Santi cut this the other day. We'll have to mount this. This is polycarbonate. It just has that backing paper on it right there. But anyways, this is 1/8 inch thick. I think it's 1/8 inch. Maybe 5/32. 1/8 inch thick polycarbonate. We didn't go with acrylic. I like polycarbonate because it's stronger. One problem that we're having with polycarbonate is it is scratching. That's one of the main issues we're having. This is our door prototype. Just slides in. There are obviously more pieces that go right here. We talked about having a door that opens up, but because we keep the filament on top, maybe not such a good idea. Plus, this seems to be a good spot for a laptop too. Anyways, so we're probably not going to do that. But some of the stuff we are talking about is, for example, we're talking about having a touch screen mounted right here. So to kind of look like, just like a CNC, but it'll pop off just like that. It'll pop off and you can control the printer with RepRap firmware and just stick it back on. So that's another idea we're playing with. And we have the Midwest RepRap Festival in 3 weeks. We're gonna try to come out there with Will's heat bed concept ready. We'll have the prototype of that. Well, we can probably get that heat bed going. Where are the parts now? Yeah. those parts. Get here hopefully next week, and then if we worked on cutting the planning and cutting, you know, doing the prepper cuts and holes on the bed to mount all the resistors, we could probably have that done at the end of 2 weeks. Yeah. And then the third week we could really get it running. We could have that done if we made it a high priority. And we just ordered a new Bondtech extruder. We got this thanks to SMW 3D. Those guys, miracle workers. Anyways, so we just got Bondtech. So we are now using 3mm filament. Right now we have a Titan extruder on here. The other machines that we built, the previous versions, we used 1.75mm filament. This uses 3mm. We figured out we could actually extrude a lot faster and not have to worry about the motor heating up. Then we also got a gear reduction on here, so pretty happy about this. We're gonna have to machine a mount